we are going to deal with column width. How do you resize the column width? In a table you have just seen on Mydan Computer Store, you can see monthly sales. But if you notice that on May, June, July, even August, if you notice, some people may regard this as an error. What simply means is that the width of these cells are not enough to house all the character therein. So how do you adjust? Let's see different ways to which we can adjust. You will determine which one is the best. Step number 1, you come in here to this where you have G, adjust it manually. You can see now it's normal. You can do that to the others, one after the other, and so on. Finally, if you may observe now, everything looks okay. That is one way which you can do that. Now let's see the second method. We are going to double click on the header, the alphabetical header there in each of them. I am double clicking between G and H. If you notice, that is okay. The same applicable to others. If you notice now, they are all okay. All right, let us see a more preferred method. What is the more preferred method? I am taking it back to the way it was. The more preferred method would be highlighting all the affected cells at the same time. To do that, apply your cursor, highlight those cells. After highlighting them, you need to do something very simple. Just come to the ending, like the J, the line between J and K. When your cursor turns to this plus, click and press down. Drag to resize based on what you want. If you observe close up there, you can see the width for now is 7.0. You can adjust to suit what you want. 8.7, 9.0, 10.29. If you observe 11.14, 11, I'm leaving at 11 for example. See what happened. All the affected cells or highlighted cells have equal width. So instead of manually or doing that one after the other, that could take much of your time. Just do this. Now I'm sure you will be trying to do the same. But let me tell you what challenge you may face. When you make mistake of highlighting it, instead of highlighting it from the header, you highlight it from where you start entering text. If you highlight this way, see what will happen. If you highlight this way, see what will happen. When you come to the last one to adjust, it is only the last one that will adjust, while others remain the same. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to do that with this. Observe, they are all equal in width. If you adjust it from F, see what happened. It's only the F that is adjusted, whereas the rest are not. Why? Because you have made a mistake. The mistake you made is that instead of adjusting from the header, you adjusted it from where you start typing, which is not good practice. So just go to the header, all the affected headers, highlight them. When you come to the last one you highlighted, click and press down. Your cursor turn to this plus, drag it to get equal size of the cells. You can observe it here. So that is how you actually adjust your column width. Subscribe, like, and share this video and help others too to learn what you have enjoyed. Or you can visit us at our website at mydancomputertrainingchannel.com so that you can benefit much more from our numerous tutorials. Thanks so much. Hope to see you in the next tutorial.